In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen, highlighter, and eraser tools in your PowerPoint presentations. Whether you're preparing for a vital business presentation or wanting to add a personal touch to your slide deck, these tools can help make your points clearer and more engaging. Let's dive into the process so you can begin using these features effectively in your next presentation. First, open your PowerPoint and let's find the tools we need for this task. Head to the Draw tab located in the ribbon at the top of your window. This tab hosts all the essential drawing tools, including the pen, highlighter, and eraser. Once inside the Draw tab, you'll need to select the tool you wish to use. You can choose between the pen, the highlighter, or the eraser, depending on what you want to accomplish. The pen allows you to draw freehand lines directly on your slides. This can be especially useful when you need to illustrate a point on the fly, or if you prefer a more personalized touch as you present your material. Simply click on the pen tool and begin drawing on your slide. If you wish to highlight specific text or other elements, the highlighter tool is your go-to. It lets you draw a translucent overlay, allowing the content behind to still be visible while grabbing the audience's attention. It's a perfect choice for stressing key points or information you want your viewers to focus on during your talk. In case you need to remove any ink annotations you've made, the eraser tool is readily available. Just click on the eraser and click and drag over any mark you wish to delete. This tool comes in handy if you make a mistake or want to tidy up your slide after some annotations. Now, let's talk about using these tools. If you're operating with a mouse, click and drag your mouse pointer across the slide to draw or highlight. This method is straightforward and doesn't require any additional equipment. For those of you with a digital pen, this device can offer even more flexibility and precision when drawing or highlighting on your slides. Simply use your pen like you would on a tablet or touchscreen device to make annotations. When it's time to erase, click and drag the eraser over any marks you want to remove, ensuring your slide looks exactly how you want it. Finally, keep in mind that some tools, like the pen and highlighter, have additional options for customization. You can often select from different color choices and line thicknesses, adding depth and detail to your presentation. Consider exploring these options to make your slides truly stand out. With these steps, you're ready to effectively utilize the pen, highlighter, and eraser in your PowerPoint presentations, giving you greater control and creativity while communicating your message.